Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. And today friends we are going to upload guys Tecno mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Tecno mobile guys double tap problem means talkback problem how to solve. Friends, you have double tap problem in your Tecno mobile, so how to solve double tap problem in Tecno mobile. One by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video friends. You can see I am not operating my phone. Double tap problem friends, you can see talk back problem, the screen green touch problem. So friends, first of all use your two finger, open your phone setting with double tap, and friends your phone screen is off. So friends, how to unlock phone when we have double tap problem, talk back problem. So friends, use your two finger, you can unlock your phone. Now friends, double tap on phone setting. Phone setting will on. After on phone setting friends, click here more connection setting, and friends use your two finger. And friends, if you on any setting by mistake, so once you want to back, so once one tap, double tap, continue. Friends, open your phone accessibility setting, and friends where is accessibility setting in Tecno mobile. So once in your Tecno mobile, click here special function setting, double tap, and friends last option you can check accessibility setting, one tap and double tap here. After double tap friends scroll, and friends open your phone talkback setting with double tap. After double tap friends, click here one tap, use talkback, again double tap, stop button, double tap, talkback problem will solve. And friends, you can use your Tecno mobile without talkback problem, you can use your device with one finger. And friends, again if you on talkback settings, so you can use talkback. And guys, second option friends, use talkback shortcut setting, click here allow option, got it. Friends, you can check in your Tecno mobile guys, right side this woman icon, if you click here talkback will on automatic. Friends, you can see we have again double tap problem, talkback setting. So a person who is blind, they use talkback with sound. And friends, if you click here this man icon, double tap, talkback will off automatic. So like that friends, you can solve talkback problem, you can use talkback. And friends, you can solve talkback problem with shortcut setting. Friends, search your talkback, one tap, double tap here. And friends, you can again use talkback, and you don't want to use, you can off talkback. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys, and before going please go and like the video, subscribe the channel.